Dear students, welcome to the class of construction 3. Here I am considering a problem. Draw the circle of 4 cm radius and construct a pair of tangents at the ends of the radii whose angle between them is 50 degree, and measure the angle between them. That means angle between the radius tangents of the circle what you have drawn or what you have constructed. Okay, so now I will show the video how to construct the tangents. Okay, so now first draw a circle with 4 centimeter or 5 centimeter which is given. Don't worry about the radius. Okay, like this you know how to draw the circle. And now draw this is the center of the circle. Now draw a radius CA. So join that. So now construct an angle 50 degree because the angle between the radii is 50 degree given that. So therefore construct an angle 50 degree like this. So join up to here itself. Enough. No need of extending. That is 50 degree. So now we have to draw a tangents at this point. So draw semi-arc circle like this. Okay, semicircle like this from the point A. So now with the same radius cut from this point K. Now don't change the radius. Again from point this say L. Draw arc above the semi-arc, the semicircle, and also on the circumference like this. So now say this point is M. Now don't change the radius. With the same radius cut this arc. These two arcs are intersect a point say N. Okay. Now draw the line through this point say N. This is the tangent, first tangent T1. This is say tangent T1. Okay. Now similarly draw the tangents at the point here B. Say same way draw a semicircle which cuts here say at some P. So now with the same radius from P cut here another arc which cuts the semicircle at Q. So now with the same radius from the point Q, draw an arc on the semicircle and also above the semicircle. So now this point is say R. Now with the same radius from R cut this semicircle which intersect at a point say S. Now join this S and B, draw through the point B. So now this is the tangent T2. Now measure this angle between the T1 and T2. This is 50, this is 130 because these opposite angles, the sum of the opposite angles must be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, no doubt this must be 130 degree. Measure and verify. Okay. So now another here draw the 5 centimeter radius circle and draw pair of tangents such that angle between them is 180 degree. In the previous problem, angle between the radius is given. Here in this problem, angle between the tangent is given. and measure the angle between them So now, so angle between the radii is given by 180 minus angle between the tangents. That means 180 here 110 angle 110 degree given, 180 minus 110 degree 70 degree. You have to construct two radii such that the angle between them is 70 degree. When all other things are same, all other methods are same, no change. Here only you have to subtract from 180 because the angle between the tangents is given, not angle between the radii. So therefore you have to subtract when angle between the tangents is given. Okay, this is only the small difference between the previous problem and this problem. So let us see how to construct. Observe this video. Now first draw the circle with 5 centimeter radius like this. Now C is the center of the circle. Draw the radius, say CA, R1 is the radius. Draw another radius R2 such that angle between them is 70 degree because 180 minus 110, 70 degree, and all other steps are same. So now this is 70 degree. So now draw a tangents at A. So to draw the tangents, draw a semicircle from the point A with the radius 1.5 centimeter. Don't change the radius. So it cuts the radius 1 at P. So now from P with same radius, draw another arc on the semicircle which cut at Q. Okay. So don't change radius. And again from Q, draw an arc on the semicircle which cuts at R and above the semicircle like this. Now from Q with the same radius, cut this arc, say at S. Now draw the line through the AS. So this is the tangent T1. This is the tangent T1. Similarly, draw the tangent at B. So draw a semicircle of suitable radius. Don't change the radius. Now it cut at K. From K like this. From K, draw an arc which cuts at L. Now from L, draw an arc here at M. So now above the arc, above the semicircle, from the point M, cut the previous arc which cuts at say M. So now draw the tangents T2 from B and M. So now this is the tangent T2. So now T1 and T2 are the required tangents. So if you measure angle between them is 110 degree. So this is the required triangle, required tangent. Okay. So now construct yourself. Here 4 problems are given, which I have already explained. So I think easily you can construct. So these 4 are as homework, and this is the construction 3. We will meet on the next period construction 4. Okay. Thank you.